What's up, guys? It's Marina. Today I'm gonna be that was loud, sweetie. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to look good for your first day of high school, for your first day back to high school. I am finally graduated, baby. I'm so happy about that, but I'm gonna be going to college. Comment down below when you guys go back to school, just so like I know. If you want to see how to do this and get this cute little simple natural looking but definitely not natural makeup look, then just keep on watching. So first things first, we're gonna start off with brows. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. I have a full eyebrow routine video for you guys to watch. I'll put it in the little eye thingy because like I'm such a great YouTuber. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm also using the numbers like rubbed off, but I'm pretty sure this is an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. So my eyebrows are done, but made them a little bit thicker than I wanted them to be. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. I got a new freaking lip balm from Target. This is melted. Can you see that? It literally melted. How freaking rude. It's clear on the inside. It smells weird. But anyways, so we're gonna apply some lip balm. So now that your lips are all moisturized and not crusty, we are going to start on our face. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. I'm gonna be moisturizing my face with some Touched Body Cream, baby. I got this little mini one and I love it so much. I wanted to try out the little facial cleanser that they had. So I bought this, and then it also came with this little baby. This is like perfect for traveling because I've been traveling so much this summer. Also, I know that like a lot of these products I'm gonna be using are high end. I already plan to make a full face drugstore version of this video. Okay. Moisturizing is done. Now we're going to prime. I use like so many different primers. It's not okay, but I'm gonna limit it today to like just two. I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This primer smooths over all of your pores and it makes a nice, clean, like smooth base for the rest of your makeup. And then I like to use a more like tacky primer for the rest of my face so that if I use foundation and all that stuff, then it like sticks. So I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This hydrates my this hydrates my dry skin. Okay, so now that our skin is nice and smooth like a little baby's butt, we're going to start with makeup. Did not wet my beauty blender and I don't really feel like doing that. Okay. I'm gonna be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Oh wait, pause. So first I'm gonna be using some Becca liquid highlighter, and this is in Champagne Pop. Now we're gonna be using foundation. I'm gonna be taking the NARS Radiant Natural Longwear Foundation. Okay, I feel really bad. Like I'm using too many high-end products. Pause. A couple of drugstore options for y'all because I'm fake and I'm using literally just like expensive stuff. So 3 of my favorite drugstores, well 4, but like this is, I mixed these 2 to make my color, okay? The Maybelline 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm in the color 310 Sun Beige. I also like the Wet n Wild Foundation. I have to mix these 2 to get like my perfect color, but like this is my perfect color. I'm in the color 369 Cream Beige and 372 Desert Beige. So yes. Queens right here. And I also like the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and I'm in the color 07 Sand. I forgot that I didn't put my Invisalign in, and now I just put it in and it's sore. A lot of you were commenting about my lisp and it being cute, and like you just made me so happy. So now that the little glow baby is on, now we're gonna apply the foundation, the NARS one. I just bought this, so I'm gonna be using her. 3 pumps on the back of my beauty blender and just apply it. I freaking love this foundation. It's so like natural and pretty. But I hate wearing foundation, so like you will only catch me wearing foundation on the first day of school, and that's it. I'm just gonna apply some concealer under my eye. Actually, never mind. It's the first day of school. I'm gonna go ham. I use the Real Techniques deluxe crease brush if I need to like blend concealer in small areas like between my eyebrows or on my eyelids and stuff, because this brush just like fits perfectly in like all your little crevices. I've been liking setting my face with pressed powder first. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in 310. This is like my go-to pressed powder, just like makes it so smooth and like silky. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and like set the rest of my face. I'm gonna come up close and like look at how silky my skin looks. My under eyes just like look so nice and like I love pressed powder because pressed powder unfortunately goes away throughout the day. So I also like to go back and set my face with some translucent powder. I'm gonna be using the Shade and Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D. This baby is my go-to. These colors are just like perfect for me, but I'm using the R10 and I'm gonna use the middle shade. It looks so fucking nice. Okay, then I'm just gonna take the same brush, honestly. Okay, my forehead, that and I'm gonna take some of this color. It's a little bit more cool toned, and put it slightly on my cheekbones, and then under our jaw. Freaking our chin. I said cut my jaws in my in one of my videos. Like put it under our chin so that it looks like we have some type of jaw structure.
I just like to watch videos and do my makeup. Why are you wearing my shirt?
You gave this to me.
It's mine now.
Okay,
I'm bored.
Okay. That's great.
No, I want attention. Why won't you give me attention?
Now I'm gonna contour my nose, and I love contouring my nose. So I just put it underneath like the little tip so that it makes it like look shorter. My boyfriend, stop! Then I'm gonna put it along the side of my nose like this. And then I attach it to my eyebrows. Love this for me. Love it. And then I take this little tiny brush. This brush has been my little OG baby since I ever started doing makeup. These two brushes are like, I need them for like my nose contour. And then I take this same color again and go like this on my nose. I've been doing this for such a long time, but like I never really fully explain it. And then I just kind of like shape it so that it looks like a little butt. Okay, and that is it for that. I also use this little brush for like the tip of my nose and for the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier powder again and do the same thing that I did with the concealer. Oh my god, it looks so satisfying. And then I just kind of like go back under my eyes. This helps your nose contour just look cleaner, and it kind of like blends this area to like, I don't know, it just puts it together so much better. Then I also put powder on the little tip of my nose, even though this probably doesn't do anything. So now that we are all chiseled out, oh wait, I forgot blush. I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals blush in the color, I think Gen Nude is the color. Oh wait, no, it's called That Peach though. Anyways, I've been using blush more because I don't know how to blush. I don't know how to use blush as makeup. Personally, I don't know what blush does. I mean, like, obviously it makes your cheeks all rosy and stuff, but like, I don't know how it looks at me. Like, I don't have an opinion on it. I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray because this baby works. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter. I finally got a new one. It's in the color Golden Flower Crown. I love this highlighter. And take the little small brush and put it on my nose. And I'm gonna apply just a little tiny bit, so like whatever is left over from like after doing this, to my inner corners. And then I'm taking the Morphe M505 brush. This is actually, I'm pretty sure this is an eyeshadow brush, but I just use it for my highlight because it fits nicely in my little bone. I love chin highlight. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put on the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit. Love her, she's a queen. She makes my eyelashes look so long and bomb. Ooh. Look at the difference, bro. Okay, so that's done. If you want your eyelashes to pop like a little bit more, then you can add some little wispy lashes. This is from the brand Eyelure. This brand also sells like the perfect little accents, which is what I prefer for like the more natural look, you know what I mean? I'm too lazy to put this on right now, so yeah. And lastly, for lips, because we were going to be taking some pictures, I like to line my lips with the Rimmel London Exaggerate lip liner in the color Epic. This has been my go-to for a while now, but I like to use this. I'm not going to overline it like too much, which is what I normally do. I like to smile a little bit, and then I like straighten out my little cupid's bow. I love the way this looks on my lips, so. Okay, so just like this. Then I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the color Driver, and I like to mix these two. And it's my perfect nude. I'm so happy because I was on a search for like my perfect nude. And yeah, so this is the finished look. I know it's like super simple and basic. This is the type of look I go for when I take pictures because it just matches everything. It always matches the background, your outfit, and like, you know. So that was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's today's Merna bean of the week. You're probably thinking, what the heck is a Merna bean? My little Merna beans. That's so cute. Shout out to y'all for commenting that on my pictures. My little nickname has always been Merna. So if you guys ever wondered why my personal account was called ASAP Merns, it's because my nickname was Merna, and now we have Merna babes. So today's little Merna bean is a Tropic Cantu, and she made this little edit of me, and I see Haley and Annika, my little babies. Oh, and I also see Rachel. Super cute, super talented. I saw her comment on my YouTube video. I love you so much. Thank you for all the support. And yes, if you want to be a little Merna bean, then all you gotta do is tag me in your pictures, your makeup looks, your edits of me, anything like that, and I will see it and you will be shouted out. Yes. If you made it this far in the video, then comment bean. And that was everything. And yeah, bye guys.